Hello everyone, I am Krishnakumar from Intel. I am from a team which builds and helps build solutions in the retail space using various technology components. Let's look at a couple of interesting solutions.
We will look at a few solutions and the technology used behind those solutions. One of the most valuable solution that technology can provide to retail is frictionless retail. When we say frictionless retail, it can be anything from a self-help kiosk that is placed anywhere inside or around the store to a completely autonomous grab and go format store which works with very limited or no human contact at all. These are not futuristic stories anymore. These are now actual deployed solutions. Let us look at some frictionless solutions which are available today for adoption. Kiosk. Kiosk come in various forms and shapes. A kiosk equipped with touchscreen, camera, and a payment terminal, all integrated into the kiosk, can do much more than a typical kiosk. It can give a very personalized experience to the user. It can collect statistical data, which can help the business. When a few more technology components are added to the kiosk, it can do much more. Like the current pandemic situation, a kiosk can be made to work with a touchless user interface, that is using hand gestures and speech. Integrating a thermal camera also along with all this is not a very difficult thing to do. So a kiosk can be used just by waving your hand and talking to it instead of touching the screen. And this kind of a solution can either be built in the designing developing stages, or for the existing kiosks there are USB based solutions available which can bring in these features in the existing kiosks. Let's also look at digital signage. Digital signages are now available in different sizes. Apart from the uh, physical sizes, which are actually meant for different physical locations like top of the shelf, at the checkout counter, large screens at an airport, and things like that. So the content which actually goes into the digital signage have also become very rich, interactive, and also dynamic. So here again, based on the audience that is in front of the signage, we can give personalized or customized content in the signage. Now let us look at the frictionless solutions at the checkout phase. It is very convenient for a shopper to use the self-checkout option instead of waiting in the long billing queues. Technology solutions available now makes this possible. While providing all the convenience, this will also ensure loss prevention. Loss prevention solutions are available as a standalone solution or integrated with the POS application. So these solutions will ensure that every item that the shopper is picking up is built and paid for. In the standalone solution, the camera and the video analytics make sure that every item in the left side bag are all added in the bill and before it goes to the right side back. When this is integrated with the POS billing application, it provides additional accuracy and safety. This will also ensure that the actual item that is scanned and that is taken are same. It has the same item code and it's not another variant and all that. So like this, it will ensure that everything is billed and is also paid for. Another very interesting solution is smart vending. Vending machines have come a long way from the coin-operated candy dispensing machines to these, the smart vending or grab-and-go machines. These are very convenient to the user. A user can just open the door, pick up the items that he or she wants, and close the door and walk away. The items are automatically billed. So the grab and go provides a completely frictionless experience. It uses a combination of a few technologies like access control, cameras, near field, integrated weight sensor for each of the tray, and payment tied to the access control and locking doors. All this together ensures that the items are built accurately and automatically. Let us also look at the point of sale systems. The POS machines also have transformed with new components being added. Now, checking out experience is much more personalized, seamless, and rich, not just for the shopper, but also for the employee. Another important technology we will discuss is workload consolidation and orchestration. In a store, for example, there are a lot of computes and not all of them are completely loaded all the time. So instead of tying an application or a workload to a specific compute, what if there are multiple applications that can be run in one system? So one powerful compute can run multiple heterogeneous workloads or applications. When we say heterogeneous, it can even be applications that are written for different operating systems, all running on one system. So that is consolidating multiple workload on one high performance compute and making the best use of the hardware that you have. Now let us also look at the orchestration. Let's assume that one of the system in the store fails. What if the workload or the application that was running on the system which failed moves to another terminal or a system which is up and running, and the user can just go to that system and continue working there? So this is orchestration. And when the other system comes back, the workload will again move back to the original system. So these are technology pieces available with consolidation and orchestration and remote manageability, which we will come to in a short while. We can build solutions which are up and running all the time. Now let's look at talk a little more about remote manageability. Remote manageability has been around for a long time, and we have talked about it, and yeah, and most of you are using it. So the hardware-based out-of-band remote manageability, how that helps is if a system is down for any reason, if the operating system has completely crashed, even then a support system, a remote engineer can connect to the system over the internet and fix it remotely, even if the operating system is failed, right? It's a hardware-based remote manageability. So together with consolidation, orchestration, and remote manageability, we can build wonderful solutions. So based on the use case and particular store's requirement, a customized solution can be built with these technologies, and we can ensure seamless experience for everyone involved. Intel's feature-rich products with high performance stability, together with our global ecosystem, helps build solutions that perform, flex, and scale today and in the future. Thank you.